Dang, is he going to hop on a Yamaha this season or what the heck? So I don't think we'll see Cooper Webb on a Yamaha in the pro motocross scene this year. I think he'll probably start riding one, definitely start getting it dialed in, getting comfortable. Could we see him in SMX? I think that's very possible. And I've had a lot of people asking, about the contract dates and stuff. I don't really know. Sometime in September. Yes, it would probably mess with the SMX, but it really comes down to the nature of the departure with Cooper Webb and KTM. Are they going to push it? Probably not. There'd have to be some really bad blood there before the manufacturer's going to reach out and push it to try to keep him off a bike that they know he's going to ride anyway. And I think it would have to be pretty extreme for that to happen. So if he wants to, I think we will see Cooper Webb on a Yamaha in SMX. And let's be honest here, it's only 3 races or something, and it's a lot of money. So why not? He may not be super dialed in and comfortable on the bike yet, but it's a lot of money, so why not?